Hey there, Maria Marquis here, and in this video, we're going to talk about how to design Coda docs for different types of users and make sure they only do what you want them to do. No more and no less. All of this happens with something called locking. So here I have my Coda doc. I've already invited people to join me by sharing. Some of them are viewers, some of them are editors, and some of them are doc makers like me. But now I want to make sure that people only are doing what I want them to do across this whole experience. And some of these pages, I want them to do a little more, and some of them, I want them just to look. So here's how we set it up. We go up here to our little gear menu, and we open up locking. Now there's 3 different tabs here. Let's actually start in the middle with the default. This is where I set the rules of engagement across the doc. In general, what do I want people to do? Do they have full control based on their level, viewer, editor, etc.? Or can they only interact with certain things? Like maybe the default is you can only add comments across the doc, or maybe the default is read only, look, don't touch. That's where it starts. But now for every page in that locking menu, we can set the rules for this space. So maybe on the team page, I'm going to give you read only. Don't make any changes, you just look at the team. And then maybe for the meeting notes page, for this page's rules, full control, interact away. So that's where we can set up, each page can have a slightly different set of rules of engagement, so no one has to worry about making a mistake. The other thing that we can do is we can decide who has the ability to unlock, because maybe we don't want that to be for every person in the doc. So we could decide at the baseline, it's anybody who's an editor can unlock the doc, or if we have something a little more locked down, we could choose just specific people. Maybe only certain folks have that superpower to unlock a doc. Make the right choice for your situation. But the key is you have those options, and each doc can be slightly different depending on the rules of engagement. So once I have a locked page, it'll have that little lock icon up here. And if I am one of those special people who has unlocking access, I can go right up here, choose to unlock, make all my changes, then go ahead and lock it back up. So now you decide, what do people need to do? And how can I create a space for them to do it in a combination of inviting them at the right access level, viewer, editor, commenter, or through locking to decide what level of control you have on a page-by-page basis. So now it's your turn. Take a look at your Coda docs, see what kind of locking you might want to put in place, and I'll see you next time.